What is going on, YouTube? Hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing well. I'm doing really good. Matter of fact, guys, yeah, past week I haven't had any handyman work, so I haven't posted any jobs. But I have been doing taxes. I already been doing a few taxes. I've been filing in my tax business, so I've been busy with that. I have a big project starting next week, so I'm gonna be filming some work starting next week for handyman stuff. But for now, I'm just chilling at home. I'm working from home, filing taxes and taking calls for my handyman business and setting up some estimating, and pretty much that's what I've been doing, guys. And I've been studying my stuff, doing my morning routine, going to the gym, reading my books, journaling my thoughts, like everything I tell you guys you should be doing, as if you want to get to a business owner level. Yeah, guys, so I hope everybody's doing well. And yeah, for today I'm pretty much gonna be um i'm getting ready to I'm getting ready to marinate some chicken. So I figure I'll show you guys, give you guys some tips on how I get my chicken to taste so good, because my family comes over and my kids, they love the way my chicken comes out. So I said, well, you know what, I was thinking about some content for you guys, and since I'm home and all I do is work, do taxes and cook, so why not show you guys something. So, but yeah, guys, never forget, keep going after your goals, never give up, keep the image of the person you want to become in your mind, and it will for sure become true. All right. So another thing, I haven't gone to do Uber because I've been so tied up with taxes. But if not, I will be out there doing Uber in the evenings, because right now in the mornings I have some other stuff going on. But yeah, guys. So right now I got this published chicken here, and I'm gonna be putting it in the pot so we can clean it. I'll show you guys how I clean the chicken, and then we're gonna season it with this stuff right here. We're gonna season it and marinate it. And this is what I use for my marinade and the seasoning. And we'll put it in the bag and let it sit to a few hours, and the rest for tomorrow. And yeah, because I got 2 days worth of chicken in that bag. So yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna be doing. I'll be showing you guys for today. And yeah, let me know. Let me know in the comments if there's something that you guys want me to speak to you guys about. Whether it is more stuff on personal development, how it is that you can achieve, becoming your own boss, and more of those things, or whatever it is. You want to see some more cooking videos, whatever it is, guys. I'm here to help you guys learn stuff. I know a lot of things. I know I do a lot of things. I know a lot of things. I'm very good in the kitchen. I'm very good with everything I do, pretty much, guys. So yeah, with that said, let's get going with cleaning this chicken so we can get marinating, and yeah, and get to cooking a little later. So yeah, let's get it, guys. Okay, guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all the chicken in this pot. We're gonna add salt to it and then water so we can wash it and disinfect our chicken, guys. It's the best thing you can do when you're getting ready to marinate some chicken. And let's see. We're just gonna put it there. 6. With 6 of these, my entire family, my kids, myself, and my wife, we all eat in one night, and the rest is for tomorrow. So yeah, pour all your chicken in the pot, just like that. Put it all in the pot. Big pot. One more, 2 more. Drain all the blood in here. Okay, that's enough. I usually just drain this blood down the sink. And I put this in here and I throw it out in the trash. Alright, guys, so I got some paper towel. Okay, so now I'm gonna put salt. I put this salt just like this all over your chicken. put that much salt, just like that. You're gonna take some cold water. I usually do, yeah, maybe a little, half and half. I'm gonna fill it up. Fill it up about, just about covering everything pretty much. Okay. And you just move everything around so all the salt can start getting in there. Yeah, just like that, guys. This is how I clean my chicken every time, guys. It really does the job. Massage it a little bit, get all that gunk off of it. You mainly want to get all the clear, sticky stuff out of the chicken. All that needs to go. Pieces. Okay. And then once I start cutting, we're gonna get rid of all this fat. I usually get rid of that fat when I start cutting it. I'll show you guys how I cut it too, to fit, to make it enough for the whole family. I do cut it in pieces. I don't cook the whole thing. Just give it a good wash. You can see how the water has turned colors already from cleaning the chicken. And yeah, let's see. Boom. Just like that. I'm telling you guys, try this marinade at home and cook the chicken. Let me know if you tried it, and then you tell me how the chicken tastes. If you tried everything I'm showing you today, you're not gonna regret it, guys. Your whole family gonna say you make the best chicken ever. Okay, get all that gunk off of the chicken. Yeah. Sometimes I put a little bit of vinegar in there too, but I don't have vinegar right now, so I just use water and salt when I don't have the vinegar. But you can put a little vinegar in there too. It'll definitely do the job. Okay. Alright, let's see. I'm going to drain this out into the sink. Okay, now we're gonna rinse the chicken. Fill it up one more time so we can rinse the chicken. What handyman you know that cooks? Tell me, guys, what handyman do you know that cooks? or what handyman do you know that show you the way he cooks and does all these things? Okay, just want to rinse off the chicken, get all that salt off. Pretty much, that's all. Okay, just like that. And after this, we're gonna cut the chicken. We'll be cutting the chicken after this, guys. Okay. we're gonna get ready to cut the chicken. Okay guys, so gonna get ready to cut it now. So where I do it, I need, in this bowl I need 18 pieces to make enough dinner for tonight for me and my kids and my wife. So take it, cut it right here, cut the leg, and then I slice it. So when you're cooking, the blood comes out. So that makes one piece. This is the fat that we're gonna cut off. Cut that off. And I take the thigh and I cut it in half. Just like that. I have 3 pieces. 3 pieces of meat right there. This trash. It's 3. Cut it. Leg, slice. 4. Just like that. And this is gonna make 6 pieces. 6. Slice. Fat. Thigh right in the middle. Like that. Okay, we got 7. Lost count. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. So we got 9 pieces in there. We need 9 more. 9 more. Just like that. Fat away. Tie down the middle. That's 3. Like that. Okay, 4. Area of fattening out. Okay. 4, 5, 6. So one more piece will make 9 more. Put those in there. Just like that. This will be the last piece right here. Tie down the middle. There you go, that's 9 pieces, guys. That's 18 pieces right there. That's all I need for tonight. And I'll continue to cut these other pieces right here. Because those are gonna be tomorrow. And it's just a little bit extra work. Okay. I'm gonna be cutting this and putting in the other pot. There you go. Cut the rest of the chicken. Trash. Tie it down the middle. Just like that. Okay, dog. some more. Last one. Crush. Tie down the middle. Okay. Now we're gonna show you guys how I season it and finish marinating, guys. Okay guys, so you guys can see here I have an extra bowl, because what I do, I take my meat and I season it over this bowl, and all the extra seasoning will fall in there. Once I finish seasoning, it goes in the bag. So let me show you guys how I do this. Boom. Take my first piece, and we're using complete seasoning, if you guys can see there. Put about that much. Rub it around. Next we go in with the onion powder. Onion powder, followed by garlic powder. And then it goes in the bag. Once I got all my chicken seasoning in the bag, and this is the last thing I put in the bag. Some of these balsamic vinaigrette. Okay, so continue on. Complete seasoning. Rub that in. Onion powder. Garlic powder. In the bag. Repeat. Complete seasoning. Rub it in. Onion powder. Garlic powder. In the bag. We continue doing that until we finish. Put my seasonings on the right so I can be more comfortable. Okay guys, that was my last piece. So now, I'm gonna take the bag. Let me rinse my hands real quick. Seasoning off my hands. Shake this up. This, look how much I put in there. I'm gonna go like this. Probably about a cup, half a cup. Okay. Close your bag, taking the air out. Get all the air out your bag while you're closing it. Okay. Boom. Shake it around like that. You're gonna marinate all over the chicken. You guys can see. And you take this bag, you put it in your fridge for about 3 hours, 4 hours. And then you throw 5 pieces in the air fryer. You poke it with a knife, make holes on it, and cook it for 28 minutes. And then you could tell me what you think about that chicken, guys. That's the way I do it, guys. Now I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna go put it in the fridge for about 4 hours, and then I continue to season the other chicken I have. I have another fridge out here in my garage that I put it in. See, right there for 4 hours in the fridge. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other batch. Finish seasoning the other batch the same way I just showed you guys, and put it in the fridge as well. And maybe in another video, I'll show you me cooking it. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. I just wanted to teach you guys a little something of what I do here at home when I'm not doing handyman work. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.